Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by getting both AirPods and the charging case ready and charged. Keep battery levels at least 20% to avoid interruptions. Unlock the iPhone, iPad, or iPod and open settings. Turn Bluetooth on and leave the device screen active and unlocked. Keep the closed AirPods case within 3 inches of the active screen before opening. Hold the case near the device and do not move away during the next steps. This setup prevents pairing failures and ensures the on-screen animation appears reliably. With the case open and AirPods inside, an on-screen animation should appear automatically. Tap Connect on the device screen when you see the AirPods name and animation. Follow any immediate prompts for firmware updates or Siri setup as shown. If you have AirPods Pro or second-generation models, complete the brief calibration sequence on screen. Confirm that the device lists AirPods under Bluetooth and shows battery percentages. Close the case and reopen if the animation did not appear immediately. If the on-screen pairing fails, use the reset method to restore pairing ability. With AirPods in the case, press and hold the back button for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Close the case, wait 5 seconds, and reopen it within 3 inches of the unlocked screen to retry. Confirm Bluetooth is on and that the device runs iOS 10 or later. Repeat the on-screen Connect prompt and verify the AirPods appear under Bluetooth devices list.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.